I'm excited to announce an entirely new AR platform with a revolutionary new product.
So, Apple released developer tools to create spatial experiences for their Apple Vision Pro called the visionOS Software Development Kit, enabling Apple developer community to bring their apps to life in ways never before possible. During WWDC, Apple CEO Tim Cook unveiled the Vision Pro to the public.
It's already been a big day, but we do have one more thing. Introducing Apple Vision Pro.
Apple claims this will be the future of communication. This will be how we communicate with friends and family shortly. Apple announced the availability of new software tools and technologies that enable developers to create groundbreaking app experiences for Apple Vision Pro featuring visionOS. The Vision Pro lets users interact with digital content in their physical space using the most natural and intuitive inputs possible: their eyes, hands, and voice. Starting today, developers will be able to create an entirely new class of spatial computing apps that take full advantage of the infinite canvas in Vision Pro and seamlessly blend digital content with the physical world to enable extraordinary new experiences. With the visionOS SDK, developers can utilize the powerful and unique capabilities of Vision Pro and visionOS to design brand new app experiences across a variety of categories including productivity, design, gaming, and more. Next month, Apple will open developer labs in Cupertino, London, Munich, Shanghai, Singapore, and Tokyo to provide developers with hands-on experience to test their apps on Apple Vision Pro hardware and get support from Apple engineers. Development teams will also be able to apply for developer kits to help them quickly build, iterate, and test right on Apple Vision Pro. By default, apps launch into the shared space, where they exist side by side, much like multiple apps on a Mac desktop. Apps can use windows, spaces, and volumes to show content, and the user can reposition these elements wherever they like. A window is a spatial rectangle box, so we are used to on a Mac, a fundamental view the apps for the Vision Pro will use. Windows will have 3D objects to give it a nice mix of 2D and 3D. For volumes, this is where you will have 3D experience, an imaginary cube where you determine the width, height, and now depth to determine how big the volume is. Here we shall see things like the Earth 3D renders and art in the Anatomy app.
Now spaces are where your windows and volumes can live side by side. There are two spaces: full space where your app takes over the whole space of the screen. You have multiple windows, volumes, or full immersion for the whole experience. For a more immersive experience, an app can open a dedicated full space where only that app's content will appear. Inside a full space, an app can use windows and volumes, create unbounded 3D content, open a portal to a different world, or even fully immerse people in an environment. The other space is a shared space, where you can have multiple apps open at once, like Chrome windows open with Spotify window. With competitors like the Meta Quest and HTC VR headset, the Apple Vision Pro redefines what's possible on a computing platform. Developers can get started building visionOS apps using the powerful frameworks they already know, and take their development even further with new innovative tools and technologies like Reality Composer Pro to design all new experiences for their users. By taking advantage of the space around the user, and enables them to imagine new ways to help their users connect, be productive, and enjoy new types of entertainment. Developers can build new experiences that take advantage of the groundbreaking features of Apple Vision Pro by using the same foundational frameworks they already know from other Apple platforms, including powerful technologies like Xcode, Swift UI, RealityKit, RKit, and TestFlight. This is definitely Apple's advantage over other VR manufacturers. The Vision Pro will integrate seamlessly with other Apple products like the iPhone, Apple Watch, and Mac computers. This has been the biggest advantage of Apple, and the loyal fans it has. These tools enable developers to create new types of apps that span a spectrum of immersion, including windows, which have depth and can showcase 3D content, volumes, which create experiences that are viewable from any angle, and spaces, which can fully immerse a user in an environment with unbounded 3D content. To help developers optimize 3D content for their visionOS apps and games, an all-new tool available with Xcode called Reality Composer Pro lets them preview and prepare 3D models, animations, images, and sounds, so they look amazing on Vision Pro. Developers can also interact with their apps in the new visionOS simulator to explore and test various room layouts and lighting conditions. And every developer framework comes with built-in support for Apple's innovative accessibility features to ensure spatial computing and visionOS apps are accessible to everyone. Starting next month, developers who have been building 3D apps and games with Unity's robust authoring tools can port their Unity apps to Apple Vision Pro and take full advantage of its powerful capabilities. Developers who have previewed the visionOS SDK and APIs are excited about the potential of the platform and how it will enable them to create all new app experiences for their users. The DJ app on Apple Vision Pro puts a fully featured DJ system right at a user's fingertips. With a reimagined spatial interface, anyone can mix their favorite music and apply real-time effects using just their eyes and hands. Algorithms CEO Kareem Morsi said, "Whether for a beginner or a seasoned professional, DJ on Vision Pro transforms the user's surroundings with stunning environments that automatically react to their mix, enabling them to experience and interact with music in ways never before possible." Manufacturers can use AR solutions from PTC to collaborate on critical business problems by bringing interactive 3D content into the real world. From a single product to an entire production line, Stephen, PTC's Chief Technology Officer of AR/VR, said, "With Apple Vision Pro, stakeholders across departments and in different locations can review content simultaneously to make design and operation decisions. This capability will unlock a level of collaboration previously not possible." The visionOS SDK, updated Xcode, Simulator, and Reality Composer Pro is available for Apple Developer Program members at developer.apple.com/registered. Apple developers have access to a variety of resources to help them design, develop, and test apps for Apple Vision Pro, including extensive technical documentation, new design kits, and updated human interface guidelines for visionOS. Will you jump on the wave to build apps for the Vision Pro? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as it helps out a ton. Till next time.